I found a tool that replaced my entire account. It cost $12. And today, I'm going to test it and show you exactly what happens. This isn't just any tool. It's part of the best personal finance app 2026. So let's dive in. 030 the rules. What am I testing? I'm testing how effectively AI can help us build passive income streams in 2026. We'll measure success by the amount of money generated and the ease of use. Success means a significant increase in passive income with minimal effort. Failure means it's just another gimmick. 130 day by day / test by test. Let's start with day one. I set up the AI tool to analyze my investment portfolio. It took less than 5 minutes to sync all my accounts. The tool then provided detailed insights into my current investments. On day two, I used the AI to identify potential growth stocks. It suggested NVDA, and PLTR. I compared these suggestions with ChatGPT and Claude. ChatGPT gave similar results, but Claude offered more detailed analysis. By day 3, I started implementing the AI's investment strategies. I bought shares of NVIDIA and Microsoft based on its recommendations. The tool also suggested reallocating some funds to growth stocks. I followed its advice and saw immediate results. 230 new visual. On day 4, I focused on passive income from real estate. The AI analyzed my property portfolio and suggested optimizing rental prices. I adjusted the prices accordingly and saw a 15% increase in monthly rent. Day 5 was all about crypto. The AI identified promising blockchain projects. I invested in a few and monitored their performance. The results were mixed, but overall positive. 330 new question. Here's where it gets interesting. On day 6, I tested the AI's budgeting capabilities. It suggested cutting unnecessary expenses and reallocating those funds to high-yield savings. I followed its advice and saved over $500 in just 1 month. 430 pattern erupt, but the real surprise is coming. On day 7, I encountered an unexpected challenge. The AI suggested a risky investment that went against my usual strategy. I hesitated, but decided to trust the AI. The result? A 30% return in just 2 weeks. 530 subscribe CTA. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Let's continue with the final results. 630 final results. After 7 days, the results were impressive. My passive income streams increased by 25%. The AI tool proved to be a valuable asset in managing my finances. 730, the surprising part, but there's more. The AI also helped me optimize my tax strategy. It identified deductions I hadn't considered, saving me thousands. This was an unexpected bonus that added even more value to the tool. 830 honest verdict. Would I recommend this? Absolutely. The AI tool is worth it. It simplified my financial management and increased my passive income. 930 subscribe CTA. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new personal finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Always consult a professional before making investment decisions.